Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, a follow-up on the Lionel General and the conversion from DC to AC. As you see, I have the rectifier mounted in the chassis, wired to the motor, and the result is a perfect running AC locomotive. So that diode, if you look at it, it looks like it was made to fit in that spot. It just fits absolutely perfectly. So put the two screws back in it, put the shell back on it, and I have an AC General for 40 bucks. Really difficult to beat that. So it only took a minute to do this, and I just got this dropped in here right now. But as you see, 4 wires. I'll just put a piece of tape over this, drop it down into this slot, and the conversion is complete. The wires themselves will hold it in there. I'll just make sure everything's out of the way so it doesn't rub on a wheel. And the conversion is complete. It is up and running just absolutely splendidly. So anyway, I just want to do a quick follow-up video on mounting that rectifier in the Lionel DC General. Really straightforward, really simple to do this. And just want to do a quick follow-up. Total cost to convert it was 3 bucks and about 20 minutes of my time. And so the value of this locomotive just increased by about 3 times, because now it is a standard AC General locomotive that will run on any standard layout. So just a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benztrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.